right, here we go. Round two. Round two. Orange thing down.
Oh, on you. All right, that's nice.
Yep. All right.
All right.
I'm risking my Osmo pocket for this. No, it should be fine.
Just put it like under, which means what? Go down and put it under.
I'm gonna just... Actually, you know what? This. I did this last time. And, that's gonna work. Little card.
Wait, I thought it was that can't get wet. I thought it was just the Osmo.
Yeah, I'll be fine. So that they're not blasting cannons right now.
I wish they were.
Hey, y'all! Thanks for helping me book the musicians for our party tonight. Louis, they're on their way.
Hi, Tiana.
That's done. You sick of you doing something.
Look at all these beautiful faces. Let's join Louis up ahead and find some musicians for our party. We're going to the mountains.
Hello? Anyone down here who can blow a horn and dance? Hello?
This could be the cart that we sat in the very first Splash Mountain ride.
If you're looking for musicians, you don't have far to go. Tell the people to
Don't lose your hat.
I'm holding it. I'm good. Oh no, here we go. Oh my goodness.
To the title.
Yeah, I see that.
That hurts when you come down.
Tiana was right. There are musicians out here and they are good.
They can play, no doubt. We'll ask them to join the band for sure.
We all go for together. Down here, that's how we do. We've been there for me. We all be there for you. We gon' dig ya. We gon' dig ya. We gon' dig ya all the way down. We don't give up.
there to play at the park, but we've got to keep searching high and low.
How long can I go?
Hold on to it.
I got it, bud.
It's not just that. Hold on to it.
You said it's time I get you back to side. But invite your little friend to tag along.
My goodness! All right. Not too bad.
Not too bad, huh?
Too bad. It's still recording, so that's good. That's gonna be a cool POV drop.
Hopefully. Yeah, the Osmo is a little wet.
Yeah, it's fine.
The Mo is a little wet. You call this the Mo.
The Mo.
Not the Oz. Together make the Osmo pop.
We're good.
Your Apple Watch one.
Yes. To the party.
Take your hand from the heated.
Now everyone
This is freezing cold right now. It's like they have to dry you a little bit so they don't get so people don't leave the line because then they see how soaked you got.
Please keep your tails in your seats and chill your boat down. Then grab all your things and exit to your hair.
Yeah, that was good. All right, dude, that was fun.
Your camera survived.
It did survive. I'm not taking this on again.
Better not.
That was pretty crazy.